Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Build It All team. In this session, we are going to create a bump cell in Cheetah, and we're going to use the super checkout as well. The first thing you need to do is to go and create your pages in Cheetah. For this example, I have already created 3 pages. I've got the main page and I've called it Swim System because that's the main product. Then we've got the bump cell and also a thank you page. Both of these will be redirected to the thank you page if whether they sell the upsell or whether they are going to buy just the product. So what we're going to do first is, if you've never used Super Checkout, you're going to find it on the same page on the left hand side. If you scroll down, you will see a button here called Super Checkout. You're just going to click that. It's going to take you to this page. If you've never connected a domain with this specific Super Checkout, they're going to ask you for your business information. Once you've done that, it's going to jump to create a product. Now, I've already created the product just to save us some time, but that's basically, you're going to click on Create Product and you're going to start. So I'm going to go through the settings so that you can see exactly how to create that. I'm going to click on Edit. You're going to load your images. Give the product name, the language. If it's a physical product, remember to make sure that you click and make a tick. If you don't, you can leave it unticked. It's all up to you. And then you're going to add some description. You're going to choose the type, whether it's a physical or a digital product. And you're going to choose your category. And you're going to click Next. At the top, you will see that there's different kinds of pay gates that you can choose from. To know how to complete the settings, on the left hand side you will find all the details to tell you exactly how to complete that. But I've already done that, so I'm just going to make sure that my PayPal is ticked. Then I'm choosing the currency, in this case it will be dollars. Your payment type, in this case single payment. We did not create any coupon here at all. If you want to, you can easily go create a coupon here. And once you've done that, it will be in this drop-down list. Then you're going to add the value, if there's a refund period, and if there's additional taxes that needs to be charged. The same here at the bottom. If this is something that you need in your country, just make sure that you enable it and hit save. In my case, just next. And then we are not going to enable affiliation at all. We're going to go next. And then I'm always choose the one in the middle. I think it's because the design is pretty, but you are welcome to play with the other ones as well. And when you edit it, you can edit the text and the colors and everything to fit your brand. Then you can choose to whether you'd like to have a footer on your checkout page, but we're just going to leave it as is. And then select your thank you upsell page. If you did not create your pages in advance, then you could always go grab the URL where you're going to sell it, especially if it's not on the same domain. Then we are going to just drop down. We're going to say bump cell. We're going to choose Swim System because that's the page we're going to sell it on. We're going to click Next. If you are going to utilize Mailing Boss, you need to choose the right list. If you've got any default thank you message, you can use that. Or if you untick it, you can create your own. I'm just going to leave it as is. It's also important to make use of abandoned cart email settings, because if you do this, you know at least they're going to get an email and you might pick up a sale again. Maybe they went out of your site by mistake and they don't know how to come back. So that is a very important feature that you can also use. I'm just going to keep it ticked and as default, and I'm going to click Next. And you're going to click Next again. We are not going to use any of this because we're not releasing a product, and we're going to click Save. That would be your first step. Now, exactly how you created your main product, you need to duplicate that and do the same for the next product, the bump cell product. Now, obviously, you can change the images, you can change the prices. It's totally up to you as to what your strategy is going to be. Now for the official bump cell, to create it, the pages that you're going to create, you need to go to Offers and create offer. In this case, I've already created an offer and I'm going to edit it so you can see how it's created. Alright. Now you've got your offer name that you need to put in there. The main product that you're going to sell. In this case, it's that one. Then select your thank you or upsell page. And it would be the bump sell, because that's our upsell. And then select the page where you will sell this product, which would be the swim system. That is the main page name. You're going to write the description and you're going to click next. Now you don't have to have a discount percentage. I'm just adding it so that you can see how it works. Then you're going to go list the products. The one that you will see here is your bump sell product that you've created. Make sure that you tick it and you're going to click save. You can also give it a title. In this case, I just said buy together and get 10% discount on shipping. You can choose your background color, and you can really choose your refund period if you've got any. And let's say you've got 100 items of a specific product. You can set a limit to it so that you would be able to track your sales better. And then you're going to click save. And that's it. Now you can leave this whole page and you're going to go back to My Products. And we're only going to use the links right there at the main product. We're going to click links. But now we're first going to go back to our site, the main page. Now we know that on the main page, we want to send these people to the bump sell. We don't want to send them straight to the cart. So this button, we're going to go and link with the bump sell page. So you're going to click on page, find the page that you named or the product that is your bump sell, and you're going to click there and I'm going to click select. That's all you need to do, and you're going to hit save. Then you're going to go back to Super Checkout. At the bottom of the Super Checkout links, you will see the one that says offer page, amazing swim set special. This is for the bump sell. You're going to copy that. Going to go back to the bump sell page. You can see this is my bump sell page. You're going to go click on the button and link that to that specific page. You can just go to web and add it to the URL and hit select. Now you will note that here at the bottom, can you see there? You also need to link this because maybe they are not interested to buy the upsell or the bump sell. Going to double click, highlight it, going to click on the link. Now we know the super checkout that we need to go to. We want him to go to the normal one, which is the swim set. You can't let it go to the swim set for friend because that is the bump sell. So they don't want it. You need to send them to the swim set and click select and click save. And that's fine. And now we need to go test it. Let me just close all these other pages. Okay, so we're going to click, go to website page. So now your client gets to your site. They see the stuff that you are selling and they really like it. And they want to say, definitely, I want to pay only shipping. And now it's on your bump sell page. It says, wait, you can't leave. I've got some better products for you. And then you're going to click, yes, I want that. Now it's going to take you to a page where the super checkout is. It shows you the product that you initially bought. And it gives you the offer. So now you can buy it together and get a 10% discount on shipping. So you tick it and they say, yes, I want that. Now you can see it's been applied at the bottom here. You're going to click continue. Now you are at the final stages. People are going to fill in the details and they're going to double check that everything is right. It's your first offer as well as your bump sell. And they're going to hit PayPal or credit card. Once this process has been processed, it's going to go to the thank you page. Now just to show you, let's say they don't want it that way and they click on not today. It's going to bring them to this page where they basically just buy the one simple product. And they're going to say yes, go to checkout. And that's where they're going to land up with just that specific product. And that is how you create a bump cell in Cheetah.